welcome to Vilnius. We are in Lithuania, and I welcome you in Workshop of Photonics, a company which is in a group of Altechna. And Workshop of Photonics operates in the laser industry. Lithuania, and Vilnius in particular, has been a school for lasers since probably 1960s. And up till this moment, Lithuania is known in the map of laser industry in Europe as a place where you can have competent people and competent solutions. Currently in Lithuania we have around probably 20 or even more companies working in this industry sector. Workshop of Photonics is one of them, and our field of expertise is in providing solutions to the companies and industry and science where lasers can be used as a tool. Now we are in one of the workplaces, a workshop you can say, where our physicists work. This is a place where they try to develop a new laser, a very small one. If I can show you the size, this would be the casing of the laser. It's pretty small. This is another laser, you can see it's a bit bigger, and downstairs you will see lasers which are like this in size. And you have different consumers for different lasers. And we are trying to develop one of these on this table currently. Sometimes you are surprised what people need the lasers for. One example would be that you take your hair and you inscribe your name on it. You can also inscribe your name or any text on a knit or on a string. You might need to use it in medicine for microfluidics. You might need a very small hole in a glass where only one molecule can go through, and certain type of molecule. You might also need very small parts for your electronics devices, which are manufactured in a certain way and they have certain properties, and many other areas. One would be counterfeit. You might want to write something special, an ornament or a text in a very small shape in a certain material which can only be processed with a laser, and use it as a protection for your product. That this product is made by a certain producer. You might want to use this inscription on a glass or on a metal, on a plastic. You can get various effects which you can only obtain with very specific lasers. And they are costly to have, so that not everybody can replicate this effect. Actually, laser is not a simple tool. You have to know how to use it. And that's where we come in, by providing these solutions to businesses, industry and science, how to use the laser. We had a mother company, Altechna, which works as a trade organization in lasers sector. But we started our operations in 2003, focusing on a bit different field, on laser solutions. And since this was a new function, a new competence and a new business model, we registered the Workshop of Photonics brand because we believe that it is needed to differentiate from Altechna a little bit. It's a different solution, a different value that we propose. So we registered the Workshop of Photonics, believing that our company should be recognized as a competence in lasers, as a laser solution provider. And it should be associated with these laser solutions. So we have a different brand, and we would like to be protected within Europe and not only. We have them as our intellectual property in form of licenses. So in the current moment we are exclusive owners of commercialization right of several patents which were developed or invented in our partnering universities. One to mention is Southampton University in Great Britain, Swinburne University in Australia, and also Italian partners and others. They patent the know-how, and we are the commercializing partners. So it's equally important for them and for us to have a patent, a good quality patent, and then we try to find the clients for the product.